Welcome, Coaster Spotters. It is December 15th, and we are back at Great Adventure for a construction update of Jersey Devil. It's been a few weeks, so we're going to go around and see what we can see. The park has been very active in giving us updates on Twitter and Instagram. So we know that footers have been poured, and they're awaiting their tops, the part that actually attaches the steel to the footer. Alright, so this is as far as the construction site goes. It extends all the way down there to pretty much where Koala Canyon used to be. I believe these footers here are for the foundations of the transfer track storage. These ones back here are most likely for the turnaround towards the station. As we can see, most of them are in various states of progress, with this one having very little poured, and this one having the base foundation poured, but not the actual footer above ground portion poured yet. We've also noticed that the final remaining structure that was brightly painted has now been demolished. Really no. Alright, so that is going to be it for this update. Construction update number 4. We have seen a lot of progress. Last time we were here, it was pretty much just a dirt field, so they're moving along pretty nicely. We'll have one more update before the end of the season in park, and then once it starts going up, we should be able to see it from across the lake pretty easily. So I will continue updates throughout the winter, even when the park is closed. Alright, thank you so much for watching. This has been Alex. Hit that like button, comment below, and subscribe. See you around the new year. And have a Merry Christmas.